Hey everybody, this is Alex Merced from alexmercedcoder.com, and this is a quick video just to show you how to use a component library in Vue, specifically Buefy. Okay, Buefy is a component library in Vue with a lot of really cool components made using Bulma for styling. Okay, so I'm going to be using npm to install it, so it's just npm install Buefy, which I've already done. So you'd want to run that, install it, and then to enable it in your Vue, all you have to do is go to views, or go to main.js, and you're going to have these two lines here. Import Buefy, you're importing the whole library. You're importing the CSS, and then you do, let me get rid of that console log. And then you just do this view.use, which installs the Buefy library into your project. So it's now just usable. So I'm going to recreate this app component real quick, so that way you can see it at work. Okay, and then I'm going to have this script tag, and again we need to have a name, app. Okay, good. And then the style tag. Okay. And now I don't want any stylists. Okay, now what's this complaining about? The template root requires exactly one element. Yep. Just say h1 hello world. Okay, cool. So let's just see how this. So right now we have our hello world. We want to use some of these components. So I just go to the Buefy library here, find what I'm looking for. So let's just use one of these carousels. So see, and you can actually customize the carousel here and get the code for it. Okay, so let's try that. Let's just so how many slides, I guess that's, or you're just changing which slide, how often does it slide, I guess that changes how it moves, versus fade, got it. And so you can change all sorts of stuff, and then here gives you the code for that component. So then what I would do is I would just copy this, copy all this, copy, and then we're going to make a new Vue file in our components. So I'll create a new file called carousel.vue, and then just paste it. Okay, and then we just go way over to my script tag. Where's the script tag? B carousel. That's all. Well, that's just the template, and I don't think it copied the whole thing. I don't see the closing template tag, so let me go back. I think yep, no, I didn't get the whole thing in there. Let's just click this button, copy. There we go. And let's select all again. Let's try this again. Let's see what they named it. Export default data methods. Okay, so we still have to give this component a name. So let's do that. Name I'll just call it carousel. Cool. And then you can just import that component in our app. So I will import it here. Import carousel from /components/carousel. There we go. And then I'm going to register the component. Component carousel. And now I should be able to use it. So I'm just going to change this to a div. And then put carousel in there. Carousel. Okay, and that should have our carousel now on our page. Or not. Oh no, I'm not. Let me go back to the main page. Oh. Let's see here. Where did I go wrong? Carousel. Carousel.view. Let me just type carousel.view just in case. Make a difference. Let's actually look through the code here. There's all the okay. I think that let's examine this. Like this should generally work. Just think about probably a typo or something. So name app. I imported the carousel from components carousel. Sure I spelled it right. Oh wait. Let's do this. Make sure that I'm spelling this consistently. Control C. And let's see here. Control Shift I. Let's. Ah, here we go. Did you register the component correctly? For recursive components, please use the name option. The name option, which we did. Carousel.view. Export default name carousel, which we did. There's the name. Export default. That is the template. Okay, I think I found why. Because the reason why this wasn't loading is because I put component when it's supposed to be components. Okay, so let's go take a look. Oh, yep, there it is. It's loading. Oh, what's all this coming up over here? I think we copied too many things. Let me refresh this. Okay. But yeah, there's a slider. Okay, and then that's basically it. That's how you use Buefy. Like you just basically find the snippets of code from the Buefy website with the component you want to use. Okay, literally you can just copy the code, although here I would have to kind of find where all those controls are, and yeah, so we just kind of switch those controls. Yeah, here are all the controls for some reason. So we just remove that. Okay. Then you create a new component, copy the code in there. Okay, and in this case, make sure that you export the component with a name. Okay, and then you just import it to wherever you're going to use it. So you would import carousel in this case, and then register it using components. Okay, just like you would any custom components you made. So that is the story. Yeah, so I'll see you guys later on.